Welcome back to another night vlog. Again, this is going to be quite a few in the series because don't get an opportunity really while the sun's up to get some gardening done, so this is just a way of getting my fix. And let me know down below if it's something that you guys do as well, just a case of catching those opportunities when you can, getting out in the garden or kitchen to get your planting fix. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into it. So, as you guys probably guessed from the title, it's another unboxing video, but this is one that is been inspired from a trip I took to Orlando just very recently. And I have got some palms, as you know, in the garden. I've got some Trachycarpus fortunii, I've got some waggies, and we've got some Shamrops humilis as well. But I've gone ahead and I've actually ordered online some Washington palms. I've actually got some bigger ones coming, which I'll share with you guys on the channel. But a lot like the Trachycarpus waggies that I've got, I've ordered them offline. They cost me about £11.50 or something like that, including postage and packaging, and it was for 10 seedlings. So I'm going to go ahead, let you know my thoughts about the quality of it. I'll drop the link down below if you guys want them. They will be tiny. That's just a big part of like what I do and why I do it. I like the challenge of growing them on. It's cheap. We can get a lot of value for money. So anyway, without further ado, let's get unboxing. So first impressions, is actually packaged really well. Mentioned in a previous video, I actually ordered a cannabis folio, which I won't order from the same supplier again, and I won't name names. But it wasn't an open corm, it was a planted plant, and it come without any support whatsoever, and it was absolutely torn apart by the time it got to me. So this really does matter, or it does matter to me, especially when, you know, money's tight, right? And when you order anything, whether it be online or from local garden centres or Tesco stores, you expect a certain sort of standard of quality, and previous one didn't meet it. The foxglove tree, however, did, which that's my grow along, so I'm hoping you guys will take the challenge and grow along with me. Order one, $9.99 including delivery, and we'll have a bit of a grow on for next year, which I'm excited about. Anyway, let's get this open. So straight away I can see the difference. Green Shoot Nurseries, so thank you for your purchase. We hope you enjoy watching your plants grow. For information, care, blah blah blah. So that's really nice. I really like that. And then obviously green plant makes better gardens. And then really packaged well. Let's see if I should have done this outside really, but I won't be able to see a thing. And there we have it. There's my Washington palms. There we go, we should have, I think it's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, perfect. Quality then, quality's perfect. It's exactly what I expected. We'll open it up, have a look at the root system now. And then, but first impressions, yeah, really good. Some root systems are considerably better than others, I'll be honest. But still, really good quality. Come really well hydrated actually. My last lot did okay as well, but not as good as this. Looks like it's a peat based soil, which has obviously held the moisture a lot better. But yeah, really pleased with them. I'm going to give them a quick wash off, wrap them back up until tomorrow, and hopefully I'll finish work a little bit earlier, ready to plant them up. For scale then, I've got a bit of a fat head to be fair, but yeah, I'm really pleased with them. A lot bigger. The Washington palms are obviously bigger than the Trachycarpus fortunii, but I'm just looking in the middle there. concentrate not on my face, or I can't cover my face up, but it's got 1, 2, 3, so the one in the middle is coming up really well. So I'm really pleased with that, and that one's probably one of the best root systems that we've got. I'll just show you one what's not so good, so you just get a bit of a flavour for what it is. But that's really good quality, and that one's not so good. But that's probably the worst one, to be fair, which has still got lots of fibrous roots on, so it'll do really well. That's got the 2, but not the one in the middle showing. But nevertheless, still really good quality. Now with Washington palms, they are relatively hardy. They're not as hardy as the Waggy palms or the Trachycarpus fortunii. They go down to about -8, no further. So these are going to have winter protection. But I really love the fan shape of the palm leaf itself. So yes, I've got 10, and I'll probably give a couple away like I always do. Did a bit of an update with my Trachycarpus fortunii, sorry, Waggy palms, in one of the latest videos on my winter prep, so go ahead and take a look at that. These are going to be added to the collection, and yeah, so really exciting. Just a case of growing the garden a little bit bigger, a little bit better, and creating some more memories. So if you made it really quick unboxing video for these Washington palms, hope you enjoyed it. Like I said previously, I do want to give you guys more of an update about what I'm buying, what I'm putting in, because I'm conscious that I've done a lot of things to the garden which I haven't shared with you. So so that's the plan, more videos, but it does mean by moonlight. So until next time, I'll see you in the garden.